I built an alarm clock that shoots me. The modern alarm clock is too loud. So instead, our alarm clock will shoot us more quietly. First, we have the photoresistor, which will detect the sunlight. Then, we have the Arduino, which will activate the flywheel. And finally, DC motor will just shoot us. So now I got everything all wired up. I know, it looks like a bomb. Trust me, it isn't. Let's do some testing. What a beautiful day. I wonder what would happen to this beautiful person if the sun just so happened to come on.